Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, filling in for my mom, and I have got a wonderful, delicious, fresh recipe for you. You know, Mother's Day is right around the corner, and we're going to do a week's worth of Mother's Day recipes. And today I've got one that takes me back to my childhood because my mom used to do something like this. My mom Peggy used to do something like this, and virtually every Southern table has got a version of this right in the midst of all of that abundant deliciousness that we all enjoyed when we were growing. So it's a really simple. I would call it like a summer salad because what it's made up of is cucumbers, Vidalia onion, and a fresh fine ripe tomato, a little vinegar, salt and pepper, and some dill. Super simple as a lot of the best recipes are. So what we're going to do is throw a cucumber, vinegar.
You mean onions?
I'm sorry, cucumber and onions. I was getting ahead of myself because we're also going to add vinegar to it. And then I'm just going to slice up my tomato and sort of fold it all in together. This is a beautiful tomato. I love this time of year for lots of reasons, but fresh fruits and vegetables are just something to really get excited about. And you could cut your tomatoes however you like. You could cut them into a rough cut like this, or you could leave them in, wedges if you wanted to. I think I'll cut them in half. Mother's Day. I can't believe another year. It seems like it was just Christmas. Where does the time go? Especially after you have kids. Now let's talk about the vinegar, because I'm sure some of you noticed that was a very small amount of vinegar that we added. Now, when my mom made this, Aunt Peggy too, or my grandma Paula for that matter, these things were swimming in vinegar. I mean, it was a virtual pool of vinegar and probably a little olive oil. So you could play with it and do that if you'd like. This recipe comes from Y'all Come Eat, which was a book that my brother Jamie and I did together. Add a pinch of salt here. One more pinch. And a wooden spoon. Just sort of fold this together. So it's not much vinegar, but a little bit of vinegar can go a long way. Back in there, tomato, onion.
We have more vinegar if you'd like to add some.
Yeah, I might. Yeah, but I mean, you can see even that small amount of vinegar, and I can smell it, has coated these fresh fruits and vegetables. And there's even a little bit pulled down on the bottom that I can see. You can see the vinegar down in there. So it's not as if it's not enough. It's just not that much, It's not going to be loaded. Now, to our bowl, it's got tomato, onion, vinegar, a little salt and pepper. I'm going to add some fresh dill. It's so wonderful. I love this smell. I recently bought one of those little countertop herb gardens. We've got a great garden in the back of our house, and we really enjoy it. But during the wintertime, sometimes you want some fresh herbs that you just can't grow outside. So I've got one of these. It's about this big and this tall. And golly, you wouldn't believe the fresh herbs that are growing right in my kitchen. Got basil, Thai basil, Italian parsley, mint. Gosh, so much stuff. Anyhow, I love my little countertop herb garden. If you've ever seen one, they really do work. All right. So look at this beautiful salad, and I'm just going to fold it together so as not to tear everything up. And voila, this took about 5 minutes. It's a beautiful, fresh summer salad for your kitchen table. Bon appetit.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.